Hello guys and welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today we're gonna be working on this Volkswagen Passat 2003 1.9 diesel. Gonna be changing the oil. Got some genuine quantum oil here from Volkswagen 530 long life. Air filter, oil filter, cabin filter and fuel filter. Tools needed for the job. It's a 5mm Allen key, 8mm socket, 19mm socket for the sump, and then I've got some clips, some holes, clip pliers, another plier to remove the holes, and then a torque wrench. And I've got some ratchet here, but probably gonna use the Milwaukee cordless where I can. So I jacked up the car. I've got a jack stand there. I removed the tray already. There's quite a few fixes missing in this tray, so I'm not gonna show you that. So here we have our oil sump plug. It's a 19mm. See if I can do it by hand now. Yeah. Right, so next the oil filter. The oil filter takes, I believe, it's a 74mm adapter. Yeah, 74mm adapter, which I don't have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a universal one. If it's really hard, if I feel like I'm going to break it, I've seen that cap breaking before. If I feel like it's too hard, it's never too tight, it's 25 Newton meters. If it's too tight, I'm just going to leave it. Hopefully. Oh, it's moving. Right, so that's not too bad. Again, I wouldn't recommend using the universal tool here, but as you could see, it wasn't too tight. Now we have two rubber O-rings to replace. So I'm going to remove this bottom one and this top one here. I lubricate both O-rings, get the new filter. There's the right side for the filter, so this writing here is face at the top. That should click in place. There we go. Now we're gonna fit it back in. By 25 Newton meters to tighten up, which is not a lot really. Now we're gonna go ahead and replace the fuel filter. So got that clip first, and that should pop up. Just be careful because it's plastic, just rock side to side. That is off. Now we've got two pipes here. Gonna remove the clip. Oh, that pipe's quite cracked. Lots of crack on that pipe, both pipes actually. Oh, there you go. Second one. So on the side here you have the 5mm holder or bolts that you have to undo. They have to undo all the way. So you undo it, it's gonna lose them up and the other way. Now we can just slide it off. There we go. So obviously when you tighten it, it closes and then tighten the whole filter housing. Then when you lose it, you are able to slide it off. So now the filter should come off. There we go. Right, new filter in. Just gonna push this clip first. Then I put the clip as well. There we go, that's in. Look, yeah, both sides are in. Tighten up that all the way. That's just until the filter is held in place, it's not moving. So that's good enough. Now I'm just gonna put the pipe back in. Alright, there we go. This one I think is going to be tough. The pipe is a bit knackered. I'm actually going to recommend my friend to change this. Can you see all the cracks? That's not going to last very long. So I'm going to put it together, but I think we're going to replace this very, very soon. He's coming back from holiday today, so you're going to see this. If I had some pipes here available, I would replace it, but I don't have. Right, there you go. We're on. Air filter time. Remove those two covers. 2 Phillips screws. So now I'm going to remove the air duct. One more clip at the bottom, 2 more clips at the bottom. I should be able to lift it up. There are some cables here hooked on the side, so hook the cable. And lift it up. Quite bad inside actually. Actually gonna remove this to clean it. It's quite dirty inside. So full of leaves and all sorts. So there's a, I believe there's a 10mm here. Should be able to remove the whole housing. Busy, busy? Be always busy. With one thing or another. See you in a bit. Right, nice and clean now. Could actually put the filter on now. So just fit the filter in, push down all the way around the corners. Alright, so the air filter housing back in place. So that's one clip here, one in this corner, this one right the corner that I don't know if you're going to be able to see. It's right there, the one right there. Okay, to do the clips I would actually leave the filter housing the air filter housing bolt off so you can access that corner one, otherwise it's very difficult. But that's it, see? Right, just finished with the oil sump plug. I'll do it by hand as much as I can. Right, so oil time. I believe this engine takes about 4 liters. I'll get all the numbers and everything, and I'll leave on the screen for you guys. Next, the cabin filter. Alright, so remove this cover, and that's our cabin filter. Let's follow the same airflow. So going down, again, airflow going down. Need dirty in there, and that's pretty good. Finally, just top it up the coolant. This is a little bit low, below the minimum level. Not to make a mess. Just a little bit more. That's good. That's coolant, by the way. It's not Fanta. Just mixed up some water, some coolant. So that's good. Top that up. Right, guys. So you can do the oil service reset manually, just leaving the ignition off. Press the trip reset button just there. Keep press. Put the ignition on. And then you should have service now, and then twist the other knob, and that will reset. But I will try to reset with the MaxiCOM just to get used to it. So we got auto oil reset here. So flexible service interval display can be reset. After this action, you can acquire a tip which has told you to success or failure. Okay, so the flexible service interval display was successfully reset, and that is it. My friend, he monitored the mileage anyway, so 10,000 miles. He should come back for another service, and that's it for today, guys. Sorry about I feel like this video is a little bit I haven't filmed for a while, so I felt a little bit uncomfortable today, but I hope the video helps. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.